Good day, everyone. Hope all is well. My name is John, and I'm the Senior Engineer over here at TeleCloud. I'm here to present to you the quick and easy steps on how to set your holiday routing via the TeleCloud phone system. But enough of the chit-chat. Let's hop right into it. You see I'm logged into the home page of the TeleCloud phone system portal. This is an administrative view. Main TODs usually have a holiday time route already in place, so all you need to do is to edit the time frame. So you'll go here to this tile with time frames, and it'll click you over to this set up here. Then you want to go to the domain time frame, because that's the main time frame for the routing for the domain as a whole. We're going to go to here, and we're going to focus on the holiday time frame that's set right here. You'll notice that it's set for a specific dates type of time frame, and it has here a hyperlink of 2 dates, but it says expired. This is because this holiday time frame was used in the past for previous holidays, and if we jump into it, we'll see that it was set for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day of last year. So we're going to not utilize this, and we're going to set something new that's coming into the future, so you guys will see that that expired goes away. So we'll do for 4th of July since that's coming up. So let's click into the spot here for the calendar. Let's go hover over to July 4th. You'll see once you do that, it's already going to preset for routing for the whole day. This covers from 12 o'clock midnight to 11:59 p.m., so for the full 24 hours. So if you would want to just do that, you can just hit plus, so it covers for the whole day. But let's say you have an instance that the day before, day after, you guys want to come in late, or you want to sorry, not come in late. You want to leave earlier and come in later. So let's set it for July 3rd to come in, to close at 3 p.m. instead of 5 p.m. like normal hours would be. So we go here to the calendar again, we hit July 3rd. We go to the 3 p.m. time that we want to start this holiday routing, because that's going to represent the time that you guys will close since it's earlier than your normal time set. And it goes all the way to 11:59 p.m. That covers the rest of the day on the 3rd, and then it'll roll right into the 4th. What you do is you hit this plus button here, and once you're done with all these changes, you hit save. Once you save, you'll see that the process is saving here on the back end. And then when you go into here, you'll see now that this says 4 dates, and you'll notice that the expiration is now gone, and it shows it's going to expire on July 4th. Now you're set up that you have July 3rd closing early at 3 p.m. for holiday routing, and all of July 4th. And the reason why we use the type for specific dates is that you can go ahead and you can do the same process for all your upcoming holidays. Most of them, yes, do fall on the Monday, but mainly for ones that fall on different parts of the week that you can set manually here for your routing for the holidays. And that's it. If you have any other questions or need any other assistance regarding this, you can reach us at 908-851-0444, option 1 for support, or you can open up a trouble ticket via email, send an email to support@telecloud.net, and we'll get working on it right away and contact you as soon as possible. Once again, enjoy your holiday, and we'll chat soon. Take care.